Hi, my name is Frankie, and I'm an assistant professor at the Colorado School of Mines, specializing in space robotics. If you're taking my space robotics course, SPRS509 at Colorado School of Mines, here is what I hope you learn and what you should expect in course content throughout my course. By the end of this course, you should be able to conceive, design, and evaluate a space robotics mission by integrating planetary science goals, mission planning, payload selection, robot design, and space technologies. The journey that I'm going to take you on to achieve these goals starts with a module overviewing space robots. I will introduce space robots, the space environments that we send robots to, the evolution of robotic technologies that have enabled these missions, and then we'll look through some literature that states the current landscape of needs for space exploration. We'll then talk about mission operations through a few different submodules. You will craft a mission objective with an associated space resource payload for a robotic space mission that addresses a current need. And then you'll develop a concept of operations that fulfills that mission objective. You'll then decide to what extent your space robot will interact with human operators throughout a mission. And then I'll outline the critical roles of flight software so you can design a software architecture for your mission. We'll then move on to the topic of hardware design of space robots. Starting with the impact of space environments on hardware, we'll develop some system requirements for your space robot hardware. Then we'll walk through each subsystem of a space robot, starting with structures and then electrical power, communications, thermal management, guidance, navigation, control, and then finally command and data handling. The lectures will cover the function of these subsystems, common requirements, design considerations, and technologies associated with each subsystem. I will then assess and evaluate your learning through a final project, which stitches together assignments from each of these topics. Guided assignments work toward designing a space robotic mission of your choice that addresses a need identifying from the most pressing needs of today. I'm excited to see what you come up with by the end of this course. All assignments are engineering deliverables that we'll stitch together into a technical report or proposals that you could potentially submit to NASA.